today's video, guys, kainan na naman tayo. Snacks time. And I have 3 kinds of snacks. I got a sweet potato, a purple one. The banana, I don't know what it's called this. But if there's a,
Banana fritter.
Banana fritter or whatever. And there's like a black sesame. Ay, interesting. And yung fried spring rolls. Or fried lumpia ng Asian store. Let's eat! Yum, 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 yum. Okay, let's eat. Saan ba masarap? Spring rolls ko? Spring rolls nila. Spring rolls ko ang masarap. My fried lumpia is better than the Asian store fried lumpia. I think this is pork. Para ako minalasahan na ano, a little of ginger or something. Kasi different style naman yung mga Filipino magluto ng fried lumpia. Isa lang muna. Kinain mo siya, hindi siya contagious. Hindi siya yung, ay gusto ko pa, isa pa. No, it's not like that. Okay lang. Pero gutom ako eh. Kaya inubos ko yung isa. Kailangan ko ubusin yung isa. Sayang. Sana isa lang yung binili ko na. Kasi, hindi siya yung gustong-gusto mo siyang kainin. Like, yung Filipino style na fried lumpia. The next, yung, what do you call this again?
I think that's what we were describing.
Banana. This is a banana with the ano siya, with the black sesame. I like the crunchiness. Tastes good. But the problem is it tastes like oily. It feels like oily siya. In fairness, it's good. Tastes good. Pero ano siya? Nafe-feel ko yung oil niya. And then Soraya wants me to try the milk grape. Milk kiss. Grape flavor. Tastes good. Tastes like grapes. Or tastes like, yeah, tastes good. It's sweet. Eto, yung sweet purple potato. It's good to my tummy. Eto talaga. I mean, every time that we went to, we go to Asian store, if they have steamed purple potato, sweet potato, bumibili talaga ako. Kasi, ang ganda ng pagka-steam nila. Hindi basa, hindi din dry. So, I think, masarap talaga siya. Hindi yung I think. Masarap siya. Sarap siya. Ito. Tastes good. That's why I feel I'm hungry. 2:15. So anyway, yung fried lumpia, hindi ko siya gusto. Pero kailangan ko ubusin kasi sayang. Siyempre, binili ko siya. And then, yung banana, tastes good, pero oily siya. Hindi ako bawal ako sa oily food. So, mataas yung cholesterol ko. So, okay lang yung taste niya. Masarap. And then, the pinakamasarap sa tatlo is yung sweet potato. So, anyway, thanks guys for watching. Bye!